friends, today I will teach you how to make chicken and mushroom stroganoff. This is just irresistible and the perfectly cooked sauce is full of unique flavors. So let us quickly get started. 1 medium-sized onion chopped, 1 small bowl of mixed bell peppers. I'm using yellow, red and orange. You can use anything of your choice. 1 tablespoon of chopped spring onions, around 15 mushroom chopped. I'm using portobello mushrooms. Half pound of chicken thighs cut into bite-sized pieces, 2 tablespoons of sour cream, half a cup of cream. I'm using your light cream. You can use heavy whipping cream too. 2 tablespoons of parsley flakes. You can also use fresh parsley. 1 teaspoon of crushed red pepper. 1 tablespoon of bouillon. You can also use the bouillon cubes. And if you don't have this, you can also use chicken stock. 1 tablespoon of butter for cooking, 7 garlic cloves chopped, 1/4 cup of white wine. I'm using Chardonnay and this is optional, and 1 tablespoon of white flour, half tablespoon of paprika or red chili powder. In a hot pan, I'm adding the butter, and once the butter melts completely, I'm adding the chopped garlic cloves. I'm going to saute the garlic for 3 minutes until it turns golden brown. Now I'm adding the chopped onions. Now I'm going to add the chicken and the mushroom, and I'm going to stir fry them for 5 minutes until everything is well combined. Adding salt as per taste. Note that the bouillon is also having salt. Adding the spring onions and the mixed bell peppers and saute it until it turns light brown, and I'm going to do the cooking in high flame. Adding the cayenne pepper or the red chili powder and the chili flakes as per your desired spice level. Also the bouillon, and mixing everything well. Adding the sour cream and the cream. Thereafter adding the white wine and cook it for 5 minutes. I have made a smooth slurry out of the white flour with water. I'm adding this into the sauce and I'm going to cook this for another 3 minutes, and you can see that the consistency of the sauce has become thick because of the white flour. Finally, garnishing the sauce with parsley flakes. So here comes the delicious chicken and mushroom stroganoff, which is a simple recipe and a perfect stress-free cooking, and can be served on any weekend dinner or weeknight to make it a perfect one. This is going to be the best if served over pasta or noodles or herbed rice or mashed potatoes. Today, as you can see, I'm going to enjoy this stroganoff with mashed potatoes. So let's dive in. Do try this recipe and comment below to let me know how was it. Please like, share and subscribe my channel Soumiz World if you haven't yet. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye bye.